Hey guys, Christian here. In today's video we're gonna install the 9-inch Android radio. So the bad part is I've already installed the video and all my footage got deleted, so that sucks. But I'm gonna show you how I wired the wires and how I got the Android radio in, because I had the original navigation in, so all the wires is in the back of the trunk, not in the front of the car. So I had to order an extra 6 meter long cable. And today's video we're gonna show you how I did that. So let's get into the video. So this is the radio, and I like it a lot. It makes the car looks a lot newer, and you get a lot of functions that you normally wouldn't have. So when you put the key in, you'll see it will turn on. You can switch up the logos. I have the BMW logo when I turn it on, and you can switch them up for whatever you want if you're installing it in another car. It's everything works. The only thing that doesn't work is my steering wheel controls, and that's annoying. I need to figure out why they don't work. But yeah, so for now the radio works, and it looks very good. It makes the car look a lot newer. We have Bluetooth music and apps and YouTube, and I can watch. You can do anything on it that you can do on a tablet. So this is the interface, and you can switch it up for some other ones as well. But this looks very clumsy, and this does as well. This is like the cleanest one that you can get, in my opinion. So yeah, and you have Bluetooth, and if you use your mobile phone as a mobile hotspot, you can put Wi-Fi on. You can see we can go on YouTube, and everything works. It's not the fastest radio, but it's cheap as well. I've paid like $200 for it. So you can see here, everything works. The only thing that doesn't work is what is called multifunction, like the buttons on the steering wheel for the radio. So that sucks.
At T45,
as you can see, everything works.
Volts underneath the bumper.
Quite.
Small 8mm for the small bolt.
Very nice radio for the money. This is the only thing that doesn't work. I need to figure out why they don't work. But I'm gonna show you now how I installed the radio, because as you know, if you have the original 7-inch or 9-inch, I think it's it's actually 7-inch screen with the original navigation, all the wirings are in the back. So to find the wirings on the Touring model, they are down underneath here. So there will be two plastic 10mm nuts like this, one here and one right here, and when you take them off you can lift it. So you can see here's the wirings. Let me focus 1 second, like so. So this is the original harness right here, the big one, and this is the one that goes up to my radio right now. So what you will do, there will be a box here. I can show you the box after. It will look like this, and the harness will be in the box right here, just on this side. You will remove the harness, this harness, from the box, and then just remove the box completely. You don't really need it. The only thing is I don't have any antenna, I don't have any radio, because you need to buy an extra 6 meter long antenna cable so you can get it up to the radio, and I did not do that. I didn't know I needed that. So then you remove these two harnesses from the box right here, from the original amp, because these are the wires that goes to the radio originally, these two. So remove them, and then your radio actually will work. The only thing you need to is tuck the wires all the way up, and I'll show how I did that. So what I did, I took the wires and tucked them underneath here, and then let's go to the side of the car. Then I took the, oh, 1 second. The wires are behind the leather cover here. Then underneath the seat, underneath this plastic part, you can actually see the wires. And here, if I can get them out, see the wires right here. So I tuck them in like this, behind this plastic part right here. So they go, and oh, it's okay, it's a bit removed, but it's underneath here. Then goes through here underneath the plastic, and then up through the dashboard, and up behind the radio. So it's actually quite easy. If you ever have mounted a subwoofer in a car or something like that, it's like the same process as that, just the wires are like there's a lot more big wires. And so yeah, that's actually quite easy installation. It's not that hard. This should work because I have the CAN bus mounted behind the radio, but it doesn't. So I need to figure out. I'm gonna contact the company I bought it from and see what may be something wrong with the radio or something. I don't know, but I'll try to figure out why it doesn't work. So yep, this is the radio installation. It's quite nice. You can see YouTube works, everything works. You have normal applications. You can go to the Play Store and download some more. You can play games, you can use Google Maps, you can do whatever you want. And then there's the car applications down here. So one thing I liked about this radio, if you go to SWC, you can code all the steering wheel buttons to whatever you would like it to be. But that doesn't work for me because my steering wheel does not work. So as you can see, you can put, if you want to be the volume up, volume down. Why it doesn't focus? So you can put the steering buttons to whatever you want, and then you can save and exit, and then it will work. But it doesn't work for me because my steering wheel doesn't work. So that is the radio. Very, very nice. Looks very, very good. Makes the car look a lot newer, and it's much more enjoyable getting in the car and having Bluetooth and can talk over the radio. Everything works, and it's very, very nice. And here you can see the Navy. You go into Google Maps. You can put it to be whatever you want. You get a GPS module for the car as well. Need to find it. This is the GPS module you get for the car, and you can connect it back to the radio and then put it like somewhere up here or something like that. But I think it looks clumsy. I don't like having too much stuff up on the dashboard, so that's why I didn't install it, because I'm just gonna use Google Maps, as you can see here. So this works perfectly for me. You can use Google Maps. You can use whatever you want. But I don't use the original GPS module. I use the one like the Google Maps. That works perfectly for me. So then you can switch up the theme and everything. You can put a picture of your car or whatever you want. I just have the original like dynamic theme moving black hole it's called. I like the look of it. So yep. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned. The next video is gonna be I got the free stuff from something called Mod BMW from Hungary. They sent me a small USB so we can code the lightings and the mirrors and the parking, the PDC and everything from that small app. I have the app, but I haven't installed the iBus app. So this is the next video. Stay tuned, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.